Exactly 24 hours are left now for the super match Wednesday at Mohali, and the excitement has reached fever pitch. Afridi has hinted that Shoaib Akhtar is not completely fit, while team sources have confirmed that it's a ploy to counter India. Mind games are intensifying ahead of the big game. The pressure is high on both sides. The skippers speaking to the media a day ahead. However, the skippers have claimed that the pressure would completely be on the other side. The Pakistani captain has claimed that they have a plan for every single player in the Indian team. While MS Dhoni has said that he has asked his players to not give in to the hype and stay cool ahead of the big clash.
We are already getting involved. That's what is important, as to, you need to know what you are expected to do, and we are expected to play good cricket on the field. So, and all these things, they have been part of Indian cricket for a long time. It's not happening for the first time. Of course, some of the biggest distinguished guests would be there to see the games, but they are here to enjoy cricket, which means we have to be at our best. So, we will prepare well, and we'll see how it goes.
Pressure, I think we are enjoying our cricket, and because we are the not most favorite team for this competition, I think India is the most favorite team for this competition, and I think we played above our expectation in this competition. So we are very confident, and we enjoying our cricket, especially if you know how to handle the pressure, and you don't need to panic in the pressure.
Now everybody seems fit, so hopefully everyone will be fit.
Shoaib is not 100%, but I think he's trying his level best, and we will decide it this evening.
I don't believe in comparison. I've said that quite a few times, because in a cricketer's life, you will have instances where you'll feel this is the most important game, and as you move on in life, the more you play, the longer you play, more often than not you forget about how you were feeling before a big game, maybe 3 years, like 2007, I don't exactly know how I was feeling before the finals or the semi-finals. So what you tend to do is, you being in the present, you say, okay, no, this is the most important game for me, but 3 years down the line, we may be in a bilateral series in a final against one of the stronger sides, and I may again say, this is the most important game. So I believe every game is important, and that will be the case in this game also. So that's what I have to say. Somebody has to lose this game, irrespective of what happens about the political talking or the cricketing aspect. By the end of 30th, you will have one team losing and one team going into the final. That's a big part and parcel of sport. It doesn't only happen in cricket; it happens with each and every sport. So. And about the political things, we have been quite unaware of what's happening for the past 30-35 days. So, not watching television has been a big part of it. So, let's see, hopefully everything goes in favor of both the nations.
सबसे बड़ी बात तो मैं ये कहूँगा कि हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ा ओकेजन है ये कि हम इंडिया में आके खेल रहे हैं, और हमारी हमेशा से ख्वाहिश रही है कि हम इंडिया में आए, इंडिया में क्रिकेट खेलें, इंडिया में एंजॉय करें, इसलिए कि यहाँ के लोग हमें देखना चाहते हैं, हमारे लोग इनको देखना चाहते हैं खेलते हुए, और क्रिकेट ने हमेशा इस रिश्ते को मजबूत से मजबूत बनाया है, और इंशाल्लाह मुझे उम्मीद है कि आगे आने वाले में भी इंशाल्लाह हमारे पाकिस्तान और इंडिया के ताल्लुकात बहुत बेहतर रहेंगे। रिजल्ट जो भी हो, अच्छी क्रिकेट होनी चाहिए, लोगों को एंजॉय करना चाहिए, लोगों को इस चीज का मजा लेना चाहिए, और ये हमारे लिए बड़ी बात है कि हम इंडिया में खेलने आए।
Well, I think he has been bowling really well, and if you see his performance, you find it very interesting. The time it took to take first 150 wickets and the second 150 wickets in ODIs. So I think he has been the pick of their bowlers, and irrespective of who the bowler is, it's very important to treat the delivery on the basis of merit, not thinking about which bowler is bowling it. What is important is to see if it's a good delivery, you expect it. If it's in your area, you need to score off it.
प्लान्स तो जारी बात है, अभी तक जितने भी गेम्स हुए हैं हमारी कोशिश ये रही जो प्लान्स बनाए उस पर स्टिक करें। अगेंस्ट ऑस्ट्रेलिया जो हमने प्लान बनाए या श्रीलंका जो भी बड़ी टीमों के खिलाफ प्लान्स बनाए उसी पे रहे और उसी तरह बॉलर कर रहे हैं। तो हमारा जो प्लान बनेगा मीटिंग में और जो लड़कों ने अपने इंडिविजुअल प्लान्स बनाए में कोशिश करेंगे उस पर स्टिक रहे।